Wellaray Slim Coffee Booster Review Legit or Scam? In this video, I am going to teach you what to actually look for before buying Wellaray Slim Coffee Booster, since the online reviews for this one are a mixed bag. And a lot of them read suspiciously similar to each other. Wellaray is marketed as a flavorless powder you stir into your morning coffee, claiming to support metabolism, blood sugar, energy, and weight management. The listed ingredients include green tea extract, green coffee bean extract, white kidney bean extract, mulberry leaf extract, L-carnitine, resistant dextrin, and psyllium husk. Let's separate what's verifiable from what's just marketing noise. Step 1. Notice the pattern in how it's being reviewed online. A large number of review articles for this product use nearly identical language. Phrases like "our expert team conducted a detailed review to ensure customers don't get scammed," repeated almost word for word across multiple sites. That's a strong sign of templated affiliate marketing content rather than genuinely independent testing. Step 2. Look at the actual ingredient science honestly. Green coffee bean extract does contain chlorogenic acids, which have been studied for possible effects on metabolism and blood sugar regulation, but it is not a proven fat burner on its own. And any legitimate research on these ingredients shows modest effects at best, not dramatic transformations. Step 3. Check the company transparency, since this is where real red flags show up. The business does not clearly display a full physical address. Trustpilot only lists a general United States location, and WHOIS domain information appears to be hidden, making it harder to know who's actually responsible if a billing issue, refund dispute, or delivery problem comes up. Step 4. Factor in the domain age. The website itself isn't very old, so it's worth treating flashy discount claims and dramatic before and after style promises with some skepticism until the brand has a longer track record. Step 5. Check what refund policy is actually offered, since claims about this vary across different review sites. Some cite a 60-day money-back guarantee. Confirm the actual current policy directly on Wellaray's own site before you buy, rather than trusting a third-party summary. Here's a pro tip, and it's an important one regardless of what this brand's own trust profile turns out to be. Weight loss supplements as a category are not regulated the same way medications are, so before starting any new supplement, especially one making blood sugar or metabolism claims, talk to your doctor first, particularly if you're on other medications or managing an existing health condition. So that's the honest picture on Wellaray Slim Coffee Booster, real, research-adjacent ingredients on paper, but a company with limited transparency and a marketing ecosystem full of near-identical templated reviews. Buyer caution is the right move here. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more supplement and product review breakdowns, and let me know in the comments, have you tried it yourself?